Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am so excited. I'm bringing you another very beautiful listing in Killimani. It's 156 square meters for a 3-bedroom. But this development has also 1 bedrooms and 2 bedrooms as well. The studios are sold out. It's that good. So welcome. So right here you have a beautiful dining area. This is a table for 6 and you can see how comfortable it is. You have extra space right here, so that means you can add more seating area. Yeah, so I'll take you to the sitting area. So in this area you have large balcony doors here. That means you're having a good airflow. You have very good lighting even when when the lights are off. It's a spacious seating. So right here is your kitchen space. It's very beautiful. I love the white. So you have white granite countertops right here that really matches with the white cabinets. And they are not wasting any space. As you can see, like they're utilizing all the space in here. I love that they are contrasting the white with the black. You can see the black handles, the black hood, the black stovetop, the black oven that also come with the house. So another thing that you're getting in numerous quantities is the sockets. There's a socket here, there's a double socket here, you have another one here, you have 2 double ones there. So yeah, there's just so much. It's so beautiful. And for the cabinets, you can see right here you have some clear ones and they have placed some glasses here. Yeah, so this is really beautiful and well thought out. So here you have a huge sink. I really love it. It's so pretty and huge. So I'll take you to the laundry area. So you have a laundry sink here, space for your washing machine. Yeah, it's just a nice laundry area. So I'll start taking you to the bedrooms. Here you have space to fit a console. Yeah,
for the development, so that's really beautiful. So right here you have space for, I think you can fit
this is the first bedroom. So the first thing when you come in, you see that huge washroom. It's beautiful. You have a mirror here. It's massive. I really like it. You have a sink here and a vanity, your WC and your shower cubicle. Actually it can fit 2. So yeah, this is amazing. So in this master, you have your sockets here and large windows. Like this is so beautiful. And then you're facing the swimming pool for the development, so that's really beautiful. So right here you have space for, I think you can fit a king size bed here. You know, it's really beautiful. It's really beautiful. And actually for the 3 bedrooms it comes with you know, these wainscoting. I think it's called wainscoting. I write it here. So Right here you have a very big wardrobe space. So here is your wardrobe, so well partitioned. As you can see, it's really beautiful and huge and very well partitioned. It's thought out. So as you can see, the ceiling is well done. It comes done like this. They have fixed very good lighting fixtures, but if that's not your taste, you can always place whatever tickles your fancy. And yeah, that's the master bedroom. Very beautiful, very pretty. I am in love. So right here is the second bedroom. It looks quite similar with the master, but it's a bit smaller, but very beautiful, a very nice. It's a nice space. You can fit your 5x6 bed here. And then I'll show you the window. Right here you have, there's a nice view out here. And then so this bedroom is en suite as well. And when you come in, here is your sink and your vanity setup, a huge window here, a big mirror, like I really like it. So you have your WC here and your shower cubicle. It comes fitted with a towel holder there, a shower caddy, a beautiful shower head, a rainfall shower head, and it's also a nice size. It's a beautifully done washroom. I like it. So here is your wardrobe. So as you can see, it's well partitioned. Like I really love the way they did it. Oh, the way they did it, it's beautiful. It's really beautiful. So here is the third bedroom. It has been staged as a kid's bedroom, and it's so pretty. It's so pretty. So it's a tiny bedroom, but you know, you can play around with it. So here you can place the kids' desk or desks, and then yeah, so it's a very nice staging. It's beautiful and I like it. The cornice is well done. The lighting fixture is also very nice done. The floor are also laminate. They also have a gallery wall here. You can play around with it. You know, kids love colors and they learn through colors, so there's just a lot you can do with this wall. So we have a little wardrobe here. It has some items, but don't worry about that. Yeah, it's nice and it's cute. Yeah, that's the wardrobe. And it's also, this bedroom is also en suite. So there is a mirror and a vanity setup. Very nice. I like the shape of this shower cubicle. It's nice. And I also like the silver. I like the silver accessories they use, the rainfall shower head, the caddy, a mirror right there. I like it. It's beautiful.